Hey guys, today I have received my FabFitFun, and for those who are not familiar, this is a seasonal lifestyle box for $49.99 if you pay quarterly, but it averages out $45 if you pay annually. Now when you pay every season or quarterly, you choose 4 of the product, but when you buy annually, the whole box is customizable, and you do receive between 6 to 8 products in every box, and this can be canceled at any time. You are under no obligation. So the first things that I'm seeing in the box here are some stickers and different advertisement, discounts if you buy this wine or whatever. And then here we have the magazine. Now inside the magazine, it doesn't give you the prices on any of the products, but it does show you some of the products and a little description of some of the products. And then exclusive for members, there might be discount products that you can purchase. And then there's also recipes and just, different exclusive things like that for the members as well. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out here is something that I actually purchased as an add-on, and that is the Repair Shampoo and Repair Conditioner. And I do remember that I think it was $49 or plus to purchase these if you were not a member to FabFitFun, and I believe it was $9 for both bottles or something like that. Some crazy great deal. And it just sounds so nice. It's a fresh scent of flowers and green leaves. It has enzymes and molecules. It's vegan, with some great ingredients, and both bottles are 8.8 fluid ounces. So excited to get started on this. Okay, so pulling out the next item is the KO Body Scrubber. And honestly, I don't remember anything about this. I don't remember choosing it. I don't remember why. I don't remember what the other options were. But that sounds really nice. It's got these little handles on it, and these feel really, really soft. So, yeah, that'll definitely feel really good against the skin. So, happy to have it. All right, so let's see what's next. Okay, some more advertisement. And this is the Hydrates Faster Than Water Alone. You know what? This is liquid IV that has all the nutrients in there to keep you hydrated. And I've received that sample in other boxes as well. So, that's real cool. I'll hold on to that. Okay, so pulling out the next one. This is Illamasqua, which is definitely a good brand, and I think I remember this. It's a bronzer, and they only had really dark colors. I'm very fair skin, and I stay out of the sun, and I don't get really dark, but I had to choose something, so I went and chose this, and I'm going to try to use it. It's fine with me. I like having a dark bronzer for contouring and stuff, so yeah, happy to have that one as well. It says it's lightweight gel formulation, combines a subtle shadow and a cooling sensation in an easy-to-blend formulation. It can be applied sheer or built up for fuller coverage for a more sculpted look. Get Sculpt can be used alone or over foundation. Okay, so the next is the Ahava. I love Ahava. I have so many of their products here, and I absolutely love all of the products that I have. And this one is for combination skin, and it is a essential day moisturizer. Looks like my eyesight's bad. Is it a 2.5? It said there. So my only problem is I have so many, but I hold on to them because they're expensive products, and I really like them. It's a good moisturizer. Okay, so on to the next. This is a multi-use storage duo. It contains 2 ceramic canisters and 2 metal lids. And I remember this now. I don't remember what the other choices were, but yeah, you can use this for storage. So I think I'll put it up on a shelf. The company is Z Gallery, and they look nice too. And there's 2. They're both identical sizes, and then inside the lid there's actually a little mirror. And they just look nice, and they're good for storage, and it's something I need. So yeah, I'm pleased with that as well. All right, so let's pull out the next. And this one is Monroe. And, it's a watch. Okay, so it's a woman's watch. And I don't need a watch. Very pretty rose-colored face. What is the name of the company? It looks like Maestro. So it's the rose color face and then a dark gray band. And it's probably going to be up for sale on my Mercari and Poshmark. As pretty as it is, I just don't need a watch. So, very nice, though. Okay, so pulling out the next is a DNA Do Not Age Time-Defying Cream. Lessens the look of wrinkles and plumps. It says, after 1 day, start replenishing your skin with hydration. After 2 weeks, improve the look of saggy skin, smooth lines, and wrinkles. And would you look at that bottle? Wow. I mean, just for the look of this is so cool. Well, obviously, I'm not going to, well, not obviously, but I'm not going to keep this. I'm going to sell it. It has a retail value of $132, so I'm going to put it on my Mercari and Poshmark. But it does say after 1 month, give back youth and harmony to your face. So, wow, that's $132 there. But I just love the look of the bottle. What a nice display. Alrighty, and for the grand finale, I do remember this product. And I have to say before I go on about the product, I had to pay. There was like little plus signs next to some of the products. Some said 15 and some said 10. And this said 10, but I only had a couple choices to choose from. So I had to pay something, right? I thought it was going to give me a $10 credit because I paid annually. I had to pay an additional $10 for this. So I just thought that was odd. You paid annually, and then for one of the products, you have to pay an additional $10. But anyway, this is a Rose Gold Blowout Dryer Brush Pro. It delivers a gorgeous body volume and shine while retaining your hair's natural moisture. So it's referred to as a blowout dryer brush, and it gives you professional results. And it's called Foxy Bay, so I think I'm gonna try it. I do blow dry my hair. I like a curl though, but definitely because of the price especially, which I believe is $189. All right, so those are my 7 products that I received in my spring 2022 FabFitFun. So for a quick recap, the ceramic containers, those 2 containers, do have a retail of $45. And then let's see, the KO body scrubber has a retail of $10. And the watch, Monroe watch, has a retail of $115. The Ahava face moisturizer has a retail of $69. And then the Illamasqua bronzer sculptor has a retail of $32. And then the DNA face moisturizer has a retail of $132. And then, of course, the Foxy Bay Blowout Blow Dryer has a retail of $189. So, wow, it's a whopping total of $592, the retail on all these products. Now, I do pay annually, which averages out to $45. That includes the shipping. I had to pay an extra $10, which it's not so bad, I mean, because it's some pretty good products. So it was $55 for this box with a retail of $592. So I think it was a pretty good deal. What do you guys think? Let me know in your comments below, and I'll see you in my next video.